Here it is, launch day of Nintendo Switch. Lucky enough to get one at my local GameStop. Let's see what's on the inside. Okay, so it's got a little pull down tab. Flip this guy up. There it is. So let's take a look at this. We've got our two Joy-Cons. They are very, very tiny. We have our system and the screen. This is a lot tinier than I thought it was going to be. But size doesn't matter, right? What do we got here? Ooh. We have our controller. Let's see. Our plug. Our HDMIs. Bumpers. And bumper number 2. Which I'm guessing this is the dock. There it is. Now, time to get this set up so we can play this guy. Yes, we will be doing an unboxing video of Zelda Breath of the Wild next.